गांधी जयंती दिसा एक दीस तरी कसिनो बंद दवरचे अशी मागणी काँग्रेसीन सरकाराकडे केल्या। पणजे घेतिल्ल्या पत्रकार परिशदेत काँग्रेसीचो आमदार अलेक्स रेजिनाल्डान ही मागणी केली। हे विशीं काँग्रेस मुख्यमंत्र्याक निवेदन दितली।
आतां गोंयकारांक म्हाका दिसता मुक्त बीजेपी निर्मल गोंय म्हणपाची गरज आहा। आतां लास्ट पर्रीकरान जर तर तेगे इंटेंशन आहा शिफ्ट करपाक आनी जर तर तेका इंटेंशन आहा आनी तो जस्टीस करून सोदिता कॅन्डल लायट टेंट केल्ली म्हणून एटलिस्ट ऑक्टोबर 2 गांधी जयंती दिसाक म्हाका दिसता ताणें एक दीस कॅसिनो बंद दवरूंक जाय। स्कॅम 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 म्हणून कांय स्कॅम ना, देर इज नो स्कॅम, दॅट्स वाय ही कांट डू एनीथिंग। So now I am telling you that there was no ghotala in giving any of the licenses and that he only hyped and made it an issue. That is why he is not doing anything. He is sitting pretty on it, and not only that, he is in fact doubling what we did. And it's evident from the fact that the last casino was given, or rather transfer was made for that license, very clear it was a multi-storied casino. It was a mega project in the River Mandovi.
आशियाई खेळ सर्तीच्या 8व्या दिसा भारताक 2 भांगरा पदकां मेळ्ळी। दादल्यांच्या नेमबाजी पंगडाक शेनवारा सकाळी भांगरा पदक फावो जालें। उपरांत स्क्वॉश टीमीन भारता खातीर आनीक एक भांगरा पदक जोडलें। हॉकी सर्तीत दादल्यांच्या टीमीन चायनाक 2-0 गोलांनी हरोवन सेमीफायनलीत पावल घालें। बॉक्सर मॅरी कॉम क्वॉर्टर फायनलीत पावल्या। सानिया मिर्झा आनी साकेत मिनेनी टेनिस सर्तीच्या मिश्र दोट्टी गटात सेमीफायनलीत पावल्या।
But having tried a complicated routine the last time they had a penalty corner, that's much more straightforward, and they've taken the lead. Well, here's a chance for India. Mandeep, the player outside him, nicely done, great goal, good finish. It's finished India 2, China 0.
Lovely winner. With that cross court from the baseline, Sania Mirza looking very good. And what has resulted after that winner is that they're on 2 break points, the Indians.
It was a very clever shot by Sania.
And she has a current world ranking of 5. She's the shorter of the two. And that was an overwhelmingly superior performance. So you can see the effort there of Kim to keep throwing scoring punches. But for every one she threw,
in terms of strategy, getting her, yes, an aggressive move as she got her on the knees. Will she get the 2 points, or has Larionova got her? She's got 4 points, and Geetika then now showing the experience.
And Geetika has won by a solitary point. So dramatic win by both the Indian girls.
पणजेच्या हेडगेवार स्कुलान आयोजित केल्ल्या वंदे मातरम सर्तीक गोंयभरांतल्या शाळांनी बरो प्रतिसाद दिलो। सर्त पणजेच्या कला अकादमीत जाली। सर्ती खातीर 74 शाळा नोंद जाल्ल्यो। वंदे मातरम गीत गायन, पोस्टर तयार करप आनी निबंध लेखन सर्त जाली। सर्तीत 1,500 वयर भुरगीं वांटेकार जाल्लीं। पळयात ह्या सर्तीची एक झलक।
रिस्पॉन्स आमकां खूब बरो येयला, म्हणजे आमच्या अपेक्षेपेक्षा बरो रिस्पॉन्स आसा। कारण हांगासर पळयत जाल्यार काय इतलें सुंदर वातावरण आसा। साधारण 1,500च्या आसपास गोंयभरांच्यान भुरगे हांगासर उपस्थित आसा आनी सगळे एका देशभक्तीन प्रेरीत जाल्ले भुरगे आसा। त्या खातीर तें पळोवपाक बरें दिसता।
इतल्याने खबराचित्र हांगाच सोंपता. नमस्कार.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. यू आर वॉचिंग प्रुडंट.